Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's start. Pink color. A, B, C, D. Yellow color. A, B, C, D. Sky blue color. A, B, C, D. Brown color. A, B, C, D. Green color. A, B, C, D. Black color. A, B, C, D. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D. Small letters. A, B, C, D. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.